Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Facebook Lite, how to see your activity history. So here I'll be teaching you how to see your activity history, your likes, your comments, and everything that you've done in your Facebook, even your searches. So here I'll be showing you right now. First thing we need to do is open up our Facebook Lite. So here at the Facebook Lite, all we need to do is click on if you want to see the searches, all the searches, click right here. And as you can see, here are all the searches. And if you want a deep search right now, click on see all. See all right here are all the searches that you have been removed right here, but will be staying right here, right there, in this area right there. Now we're gonna go back. Now we are here at our main Facebook page. I'm in home. Now click on the three horizontal line top right, and then here just scroll down till you see settings. Then once you're here at your settings, go down till you see your activity and activity log, and press on your activity log. Here at your activity log, you will see all the things that you did in your Facebook Lite or Facebook or Messenger or any of those two. So right here, you can see all your posts right here, manage all check-ins, text updates, and modes, and photos and videos from other apps right there. As you see right there, we go down. There's not nothing because we haven't post or do anything that much with this account because it's just a new account. I made this specifically for this video. So now activity you're tagged in. So here you can see all the activity, posts and comments you are tagged in, and photos you are tagged in. So posts and comments you are tagged in, you can just in that. All the posts and comments that you are tagged in will be located right here, and here are all the photos that you are tagged in will be located right there. So now we're just gonna go back right here, settings, and then we're gonna go back right here. Sorry for the backwards, guys. So there we go. Here, interaction. Here at the interaction, you will see all your comments or the comments that replied to you guys, and here likes and reaction, all the likes, reaction, and also the likes that reaction that were given to you. And here, other posts to your profile and your posts on others' profiles. And interactive videos, which is that you interacted with the like, comment, or any of those. And here, polls you created, polls that poll votes, all the polls that you voted for, and archived stories. So it's here, saves, and all the pokes you made. So the pokes is like when if you don't know the poke, that's like if you have a friend in Facebook, you will see like a finger right there. And when you click on that, it will poke him or her, and you can poke each other, and you can make like a streak. When poking like a streak, for some reason you can make a streak right there for just poking. So yeah, and all the reviews, products, question and answer that you've liked, market ratings that you like, sellers responses that you like and reacted, contact information saved from forms you submitted that you've reacted, located right there. And here, groups and events reels. Here are all the groups and events and the reels that you look or view. Here are the groups activities. Here are the group post comments, groups reaction, events you've created if ever you have any, invites, events that you've received, your events response, reels that you have watched or that you've posted can also be found there. Reels audio you've saved, reels draft, reels effect you save, reels GP clips you've saved, anonymous post you've written. So that means the anonymous post you've written, that means that that's the anonymous post that you've written. You can just go there to find your anonymous post for you guys. And admin actions, group feedback from admins, group badges right there, there, and there you go. And let's see there, guys. And here are all the others, group badges, group warrants, greeting, events hidden. Here, profile information you can change. If you want to change any of this, you can change your profile, relationship status, movies and TVs, which means that people will see what you've liked, movie or TV, and songs that you listen to, they will see that. Books, games, article, all of this, they'll only see it when you maybe visit the page or maybe add it to your account, and people will see. But if you make your account private, they cannot see a thing. And if you want to know how to make your Facebook Lite private, you can go to our guide glimpse and you can see how to how to make your account private in Facebook Lite. There I'll be showing you how to make your account private in using Facebook Lite. And so yeah, but also the method on making it private in your Facebook Lite is the same as Facebook itself. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, we're here, and the last few here is the connects. So here, added friends, remove friends, receive friend requests, connected, followers, pages, send friend requests, block, receive channel invite, send channel invites, receive chat invites, send chat invites, supervision on Facebook, supervision on Messenger. And here, log actions, search history, videos you've watched, videos you've searched for, hidden from profile, action session, login, logouts, group user search, recognition device, voice interaction, your place, product you wanted, voice, fantasy games you pick, guidance, and so much more right there. So yeah, so those are the things that you can search on your activity log if you're searching for something. I'll just give you the basics of it. So there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it in the comment section below. I will be happy to answer you guys. And there you go, guys. Thank you, guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.